Hi guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Secret. Today video is about when you install a new Android board into any LED and you upgrade the software, there comes a problem, and the problem is mapping or ghost image and maybe or a mirror image. So I will show you today how to fix this problem. You have seen that I have upgraded the software into my Android board. Now I will power on the TV. And here you can see that its image is in ghost form or it has a mapping problem. So watch the video till end, don't skip any part, otherwise you will miss some important setting. Viewers, the motherboard used in this smart Android TV is TP.HV320.PB801. Now I have installed the new software of Sony. I will press menu plus 1147. This is the secret code, viewers. Menu plus 1147. This will open a secret service menu for this board. This will open a secret service menu for this board, and here you can change its setting. You can see that all the settings are blur and we cannot identify. We have to go by some reason. We have to go in the panel setting, viewers. We have to go into the panel settings. This is very, you can see that panel setting. Press OK here. And there is the option, viewers. You can see that Lvds map, and I think it is written VESA. So we have to change this option. Press right arrow from the remote or left arrow from the remote. Then its value will be changed. I will try one by one. First I will press the right arrow because I can't see it clearly. I think it is left arrow. Well, you can see that its color is blue. So I will press the left arrow. You can see that now it's in JEIDA form. Our picture is okay now, display is okay, ghost image is gone, Lvds mapping is okay. This is how you can set the Lvds mapping setting of Android board with a newly upgraded firmware. Now above you can see that it is another option called mirror. Here it is normal. Friends, it will change when you install a new panel on this board. So you have to change this. Sometimes the picture become flip or inverted. So changing this option will correct the picture. You can see that I have pressed it and now our picture is inverted and flipped. So whenever you have this problem, go in the service menu by pressing menu and 1147 and then go to mirror option. You can change it here. I will now show you the main image by exiting this menu. You have to reboot the TV again to exit this service menu. Now viewers, you can see that our display is okay and it is clear, crisp. Viewers, hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly like it and share it, and also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Thank you, friends.